Earn $500 plus by watching ads absolutely free. Everyone wants to make money online. Only a few know how to make the best of it. There are many ways by which money can be earned online, but they are complex, time-consuming, and require prior skills. Our goal is to make you familiar with online earnings that do not need these hectic requirements. Before we share one of the easiest ways to earn money online, you gotta hit that like and subscribe button. In this video, we will tell you how to make $500 plus from the easiest of ways. You can have a handsome income with little or no work. Keep watching this video to find out. The method we will teach you today is earning online by watching ads. You can earn more than $500 just by watching online advertisements. We're going to drop some hints and tips to maximize your earning potential. All you need to do is stay till the end to get the maximum of benefits. Let's go to the video now. So here are the steps you can follow to watch free ads and earn through them. In step number 1, we will reveal the name of the website that pays the public to watch ads. In step 2, we will tell you how you can cash out your payments from the website after you have made some money. And for step 3, you are going to find out about how you can automate your earnings while having other people watch the advertisements for you. The name of the website is Uju. As we proceed to the website, this section here shows that you will be paid on watching commercials. The business companies use this platform to advertise their products, by which Uju earns. The profit gained by Uju is divided and given to the ones who watch these ads. Basically, you get a part of the website's revenue for watching these commercials. The entire process is absolutely free. The first thing you need to do is sign up and create an account on the website. We will show you the advertisements you can watch and earn money that will be deposited into your account. As you see, you also can earn a $20 bonus simply by signing up. Let's see the exact method by which you can watch these ads and earn money. This right here is the dashboard. Click on the Pay to click Advertising. Here are the businesses that pay to watch their ads. We have different names here that are going to pay for watching their commercials that are only 5 seconds long. You do not even have to watch the entire advertisement. You can open several tabs at a time with a new ad, and you can come back after every 10 seconds. You may refresh the website afterwards so that new ads appear and you can earn again. You may have to perform a number of ad styles. We will teach you a better technique. Go to the Odoo grid after clicking Offers. This will lead you to another page paying a little higher. You can click on any place in the image. All these advertisements will be clicked. Small ads will start to show up and you can earn. For the next method, go to this page called the Ojo Contest. As specified, just invite new direct referrals, receive points, and get money on your present balance. People come to the website, watch commercials for you, and that is how you earn by obtaining referrals. You can see some of the prize winners here as well. We will also show you the ways to attract thousands of people to watch the ads for you. Stay tuned till the end to find out. You will be able to earn what these people do, always win the contest as well, and get the first slot. Direct referrals mean that if you invite someone over to the website and they sign up for it and make money watching commercials, you are going to make money out of it. For example, if you are able to get 40 people to the website, you will earn $700 in a month. The more people you bring, the higher is your income. We will also teach you how to bring thousands of people here, so you can earn fortunes. Right here, click on the affiliate program. You make a 30% commission out of what your referral has earned. For example, if the collective earning of all your referrals is $1,000, you will get a sum of $300. You are supposed to scroll down and click on this little link. This is your referral link. You will get compensation for each person clicking on the link and watching ads. We will now teach you a simple strategy to attract referrals. This is a simple traffic driving technique that does wonders. Just copy the URL of your special link. Go to Facebook and type Make Money Online USA Club in the search bar. With over 200,000 members, this is such a profitable group. People come here to look for online earning options. Post the link in the group with a brief detail about the earning process through watching commercials. Many people will be intrigued by the opportunity and join the website. This way, you will be able to make a passive income. You can also win contests and earn. These are the easiest ways you can opt for earning more than $500. You will now be able to push away all of your financial worries. We hope you enjoyed and learned a lot from this video. Smash the subscribe, like, and share button to support us. Do not hesitate to drop any queries in the comment box. We are here for you. See you next time with another mind-blowing video.